Hello, my incredible learners. Welcome back to Daily English TV. I'm John. Before we begin today, I want you to take a deep breath. Close your eyes. I want you to feel the space around you. You are here for a reason. You aren't just watching another video. You are standing at the edge of a new life. Think about this. Somewhere inside you, there is a version of you who speaks English with grace, with power, and with absolute confidence. That person is not a stranger. That person is you, just waiting to be set free. Today, we aren't just going to study grammar or memorize words. Today, we are going to break the shackles of fear that have kept you silent for too long. If you stay with me until the very last second of this video, I promise you, your perspective on English will never be the same again. I know your pain. I have seen it in the eyes of thousands of learners. You have the knowledge in your head, but when you try to speak, it feels like your throat is closing. You are trapped in a silent prison. You worry that people will laugh. You worry that your accent isn't posh enough. But let me tell you a secret that the textbooks won't tell you. English is not a test to be passed. It is a bridge to be crossed. A bridge doesn't have to be beautiful to take you to the other side. It just has to be strong. Your English doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be you. Stop trying to be a walking dictionary. Start being a human being who wants to connect. The world doesn't need more perfect English speakers. The world needs your voice, your stories, and your heart.
Why are we so afraid of mistakes? Since childhood, we were taught that mistakes are wrong. But in the world of language, mistakes are the fire that purifies your fluency. Imagine a master sculptor. Does he create a masterpiece with one stroke? No, he chips away at the rough stone, making thousands of tiny mistakes until the statue emerges. Every time you trip over a word, every time you use the wrong tense, you are chipping away at the stone. You are getting closer to the masterpiece. I want you to fall in love with your mistakes. Wear them like a badge of honor, because a person who makes mistakes is a person who is actually trying. The person who never makes a mistake never learns anything new. Say it with me. My mistakes are my stepping stones to greatness.
You might say, John, I don't live in London. I don't have anyone to talk to. Listen to me. Your environment is not where you live. It is what you allow into your mind. You can build a sanctuary of English right where you are. Transform your home. When you cook, don't just cook in silence. Narrate it like a world-class chef. Now I am adding a pinch of salt. The aroma is incredible. When you're in the shower, give a speech. Talk about your dreams. When you surround yourself with the language, your brain stops seeing English as a foreign guest and starts seeing it as a family member. You don't need to cross an ocean to find English. You just need to open the door of your imagination. This is where the magic happens. Most people are exhausted because they are constantly translating. They hear English, translate it to their native language, think of an answer, and then translate it back to English. No wonder your head hurts. You need to cut the middleman. Start small. Don't try to think about philosophy. Think about your coffee. This coffee is hot. Think about the sky. The clouds look heavy today. Slowly, very slowly, your brain will start to create a direct path. Thinking in English is like building a muscle. It hurts at first, but one day you will wake up and realize you had a dream in English. And in that moment, you will know you are no longer a learner. You are a speaker. Confidence isn't something you are born with. Confidence is a ritual. I want you to go to your mirror every single morning. Look yourself in the eyes. Don't look at your hair or your clothes. Look at the person who has the courage to learn a new language. Speak to that person. Tell them your goals. Today I will speak. Today I will listen. Today I will grow. When you see yourself speaking English in the mirror, your subconscious mind starts to believe it. It stops being a dream and starts being your identity. You are training your soul to be comfortable with the sound of your own English voice. Why are you doing this? Is it for a better job? To travel the world? To give your family a better life? Hold on to that why when things get difficult. When you feel like giving up, remember the doors that Fluency will open for you. Imagine walking into an interview and speaking with such clarity that they can't say no. Imagine meeting a stranger from across the world and sharing a laugh because you both speak the same global language. English is your passport. It is your ticket to a bigger, brighter, and more beautiful world. You aren't just learning words, you are expanding your soul. As we come to the end of this journey today, I want you to make a promise, not to me, but to yourself. Promise that you won't give up. Promise that you will be kind to yourself on the days you feel slow. You are doing something incredible. You are learning to see the world through a new lens. Thank you for choosing Daily English TV to be part of your story. I am so proud of your progress, even the progress you can't see yet. If this video touched your heart, if it gave you the strength to keep going, then subscribe and join our family. Leave a comment below. Tell me, what is the one word that describes your journey today? Keep practicing, keep dreaming, and most importantly, keep speaking. I am John, and I will be here waiting for you in the next video. Until then, take care and let your voice be heard.